Hey guys, out here in the shop, got a mess going on out here. Building an assembly table. Got the top on. I'm gonna build drawers. I'll show you, turn you around here. Got the top on. Got the maple hardwood banding on it. Got the birch plywood on top. I don't know if I'm gonna put laminate or formica or whatever you want to call it on top. I'm not sure yet. At the bottom over here, we're gonna put some drawers on both sides. And, excuse the mess. Over here in the front, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I know on one side I'm gonna put a thing for the paper. Roll the paper out. It's over there. I might put some French cleats on here, clamp rack. I'm not sure yet. But that's what I've been doing. Got a mess going on. Look at this. Look at this mess. But I just wanted to hop on here, show you guys what I'm up to over here at Saw Blade. It's hot. Got the fans turned off. So I'm going to get off here and get the fans running back. See you guys later.